Hello! A wonderful and great day for everyone. My name is Rance Joshua S. of 1, and let's talk about the things that I've learned from our subject, meteorology. First, I understand that meteorology is a study of atmosphere, and it plays a crucial role in understanding the process that shape our weather and climate. I also learned that atmosphere is composed of gases, such as the nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide, and trace elements arranged in distinct layers including the troposphere, mesosphere, stratosphere, thermosphere, and the exosphere. It is also amazing to learn the different seasons, the winter, summer, autumn, and spring, but I guess I want the winter. I want to experience the most cause because we are in tropical country, has only 2 seasons. I also remember the instrument that we use to identify and measure the humidity, temperature, pressure, clouds, and rain, or precipitation, and even the wind. Oh, I almost forgot the fluffy, cotton, and soft clouds, but not the cumulonimbus clouds. They will electrify you. Just kidding. Meteorology is a wonderful and brain-shocking subject. We also study the convection, conduction, advection, and radiation of heat. It is a bit hot feeling, but it is still fun for me. In conclusion, meteorology or the studying subject has provided me a deeper understanding of the atmosphere and its process. I have gained knowledge that is not only scientifically enriching, but also practically valuable in everyday life. And that's all. Thank you.